What's up, y'all? Me and Zena at Wolfchase Mall, riding on the carousel. Say hi, Zena. 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 What you looking at, Zena? You looking up there? Zena, you got this whole thing to yourself. Going down the escalator. Going down the escalator. Zena wanted some candy, so we got some candy. What kind of candy you got?
I got snacks.
Oh, okay. So we just left out of the mall, but I'm about to get me a piece of cheesecake. I couldn't resist. Come on, Zena, let's go up in here and give me a slice of cheesecake. Hello.
Let me hand this out to them. Any plastic utensils?
Thank you. All right, y'all, we are done at the mall, and I'm about to get in this car and eat some of this doggone cheesecake. Real quick, if you have never had the red velvet cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory, you missing out. Yes, Lord. Whew. Y'all gotta put some respect on Cheesecake Factory name. Women. If you know, you know. This is just a treat, you know what I'm saying?
This is my candy.
Zena got treats and Mommy got treats, right? Zena eating her candy. That little whipped cream. Ain't nobody messing with Cheesecake Factory on that red velvet cheesecake. And that's on me, baby. Sleep if you want to, but not on me, baby. Heavenly Father, I thank you for the cheesecake. We came by Slim Chicken so we could eat some okra. I just want y'all to know the okra good. And Slim Chickens, they be hot too.
3 okra stick together.